Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by cutting power to the controller so it can reset. Remove batteries or unplug the USB cable and locate the sync button, then press and hold the Xbox button for 10 to 15 seconds until all lights go out. Once done, wait about 30 seconds to let residual charge drain. This forces the controller's firmware to clear transient errors. Make sure you have fresh AA cells or a charged cable handy, because weak power often causes the blinking instead of a true hardware fault. Next, resync and verify the software state. With the console on, press its sync button and immediately press the controller's sync button until the rings flash faster. That pairs them. If pairing fails, plug in a USB cable to force a wired connection and open Settings Devices and Connections to confirm the controller appears. Make sure to install any controller firmware updates when prompted. Updates fix known wireless bugs. If the controller connects wired but blinks wirelessly, the RF module may finish by checking hardware and isolating the problem. Inspect battery contacts for corrosion and clean them with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. Make sure contacts are dry before reinstalling batteries. Try a different USB cable and a different console or PC to see if the blinking persists. This tells you whether the controller or console is at fault. If things still fail, do a hard reset of the console, hold its power button for 10 seconds, then retry pairing. If blinking continues,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.